Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need only essentials to begin: a stripped rig, a 24 FPS timeline, and one clear reference clip. Open your file, import the reference, and mark 3 or 4 key poses directly on the timeline. Once done, block those poses using rough shapes, circles, boxes, no detail. This gives instant motion information, so you see timing and silhouette. Make sure to work in a separate test layer. That way you iterate fast without ruining your main artwork. Now refine the motion with a layered, time-boxed approach. First, add stepped in-betweens to flesh timing. Use 1/2 increments for complex moves, then switch to spline for smoothness. Once you see arcs and spacing, add a single breakdown to capture overlapping action. Next, do a silhouette pass to fix readability and a timing pass to nudge frames where the beat feels off. This keeps you efficient because each pass has a surgical goal, reducing endless polishing. Complete the piece with a focused cleanup and a single compositing pass. Clean lines and flat colors are enough for a fast deliverable. Avoid detailed shading unless required. Export a short loop and watch for pops, drift, or timing slips. If something breaks, isolate the offending frames, copy a nearby working frame as a temporary fix, and nudge keys until the motion reads. Finally, record one small tweak per pass to prevent scope creep. Then call it done and iterate later.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.